The big story from Mumbai. The Podar International School in the city has sparked off a controversy by instructing its students to buy iPads as it plans to impart education through the Apple gadget. Parents are divided over this move.
Should iPads be used to impart education? Yes, says the Podar International School in Mumbai that has instructed its students to purchase the Apple Gizmo. A decision, they say, taken after thorough research that will help active learning and increase multi-sensory stimulation.
We did a small research in the school as to one class using iPad and the other class not using iPad, and we found there was a difference in academic performances. I must say we are a school already using interactive board laptops. We're just moving a step ahead.
The school assures only 30% of the syllabus will be taught through the iPad, and though it is not mandatory, parents are divided.
It's a great idea.
And how has your child reacted to the whole idea?
She love it.
No, I think the kids will get distracted from their studies. As it is in international school, they use computer and internet in class also. That is enough. There no individual iPad is not necessary.
Psychiatrists say the tech boost is important, but the focus must remain on teacher-student bonding. The iPad is only an accessory.
I would say that asking children to buy iPads is fixing an air conditioner in a room with windows open. Traditional bonding would mean that the teacher is available and accessible for a mind-to-mind interaction. Feelings are also involved in this interaction. So this interaction, I think, is the best interaction since days immemorial.
Ask students here and they say they are eagerly looking to use their iPads at school as they believe it's only going to be beneficial. Perhaps the solution lies in finding the right balance between the use of modern technologies and the traditional methods to impart education. In Mumbai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.